Welcome to Emma 3D English! Let's learn English together!
This is our family home. We love it here.
Peter was always on his phone.
Peter, what are you looking at?
Nothing, just a game. Leave me alone.
Dad worked so hard for our family.
Are you okay, David? You look tired.
The company is having problems, Emma. Peter, no phones at the dinner table. Peter, no phones at the dinner table. These were our happiest moments together.
Peter had a very secret plan.
Our house is worth so much money. He called someone about our house.
Emily heard something strange. I know, but we have to be careful. She heard the words house and money.
We can't sell the house, but the money brings. Something was very wrong with Peter. Mom and Dad had no idea what was coming. We need to be very careful with money.
We will face this together, David. Peter, what are you planning?
Mind your own business.
I heard you talking about our house, Peter.
You do not understand anything, Emily.
Peter met someone about the house. Peter, the documents. Is it done? Almost. Look, what's the price? Market rate. He was going to sell our family home.
He signed the papers without telling anyone.
Nobody knew what Peter had done. This family had so much love. Peter, are you okay?
I'm tired. Something was very different about Peter.
An important letter arrived for Dad. David, what is wrong? You look pale. Our house has been sold? How?
Peter, come downstairs, now. Did you sell our house, Peter? Peter finally told the truth.
I wanted the money for myself.
I was selfish and I am very sorry. I did not think about how you would feel.
This house holds all our memories.
Mom, a home is people, not just walls.
You are so wise, Emily. I love you.
David sat beside Peter in silence. You are my son, Peter. That will never change.
Emily, can we talk, please? I know I was wrong, Emily. Very wrong.
Family is more important than any money.
I need to cancel the sale, please.
I will use Tony for canceling the sale and commits to paying it with his savings to fix this. I have to do the right thing. I canceled the sale. The house is ours. Peter canceled everything.
We are still a family. That is everything.
We nearly lost everything tonight.
But we did not lose it. We are still here.
This home is built from love, not money.
The next morning felt different already.
Thank you, Peter. This is really nice.
He put his phone away
He put his phone away.
by himself.
Our family stood together in our garden.
We almost lost this, but love saved us. Family is the most valuable thing in life.
Do you like this story? Please like this video.